हाय हाय क्या कमाल की फ़ोटोज़ हैं. आई एम श्योर ये थोड़ा ट्रैवल करते टाइम ख़राब हो गया होगा, बट नेवर माइंड, मैं इसको पॉलिश करवा लूँगा और फिर भी रखूँगा. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ वंडरफुल फ्रेम विद माई Neha's and Ayan's picture. Different expressions. Like Ayan almost doing the same expression, me driving, Ayan driving. My finger on the lip, Ayan's finger on the lip, and Neha's finger on the lip. Same expression. See, all three of us are laughing here. Both of us are surprised here. Both of them, three of us are pouting here. And one eye shut, and wow, that is like, how do you all do this, yaar? I wish, I mean, if I have to sit and do that, I will never be able to do it. How they do it? This means a lot. I think I've seen this picture somewhere on Insta. Somebody had tagged me. I think they've made a photo frame, and they must have made it. Thanks a lot. And this is sent by, I don't know who. The name is not there. But whoever has sent it, thank you so much. Okay, this is also by Fiza, Ahmad and Sanchari. Thanks Fiza. Thanks Sanchu. From India, from Pakistan, everybody's written their wishes for me. Preeti from India. Wow. Perfect, adorable, handsome, sweet, naughty. Okay, so I can't obviously read the entire book, but I'll just read a few. Kiran writes from Pakistan. Happy birthday Arjun, enjoy your day and I hope you have a wonderful year ahead. Keep smiling for you've got the most cutest smile. You're indeed a charmer. I just want to say, though I don't like to watch TV shows, I have never been able to miss any of your performance. You're such a charm. May God showers endless blessings upon you. Thanks Kiran. Now we'll read. Okay, this somebody from UAE, that's Dubai, writes Zainab Khan. I would like to wish AB a very happy birthday and may he get all the happiness and success in life, and his Machkin Ayan too. AB is a damdar actor with amazing screen presence and his charm is irresistible. He's dashing, cute, talented and a pure soul. बहुत तारीफ हो रही है आज मेरी. Nikhila, I have to read Nikhila's from India. Happy birthday AB. Hug. This year's birthday is special as it's your first birthday. You're going to celebrate with your little rock star Ayan. Hope you have a memorable birthday this year and I wish you all the success for your new show Nagin. So excited to see it and love you always, AB. Thank you. And then there are more and let me just quickly show it. And all the moments in the shows they've written what they like the most, like play rehearsal, Mayank fighting Nupur's field, Mayank remembering Nupur in college, Shikhar who hopes Ishani hasn't left, Sanaya caught Shikhar. No? Shikhar remembering time spent with Ishani. Okay, now someone's written something for Alek also. Okay, these are all my dialogues and one-liners which I have said in left, right, left. So let me just read out a few. अगर नैना इस अकेडमी से चली जाएगी तो अपन तो जाएगा लेकिन इस अकेडमी वालों के भी बैंड बजा के जाएगा. How I used to say that. The scene when he tells the spelling of signal, that cigarette ka sig or null ki drawing. Oh man, they're still so fresh in my mind. And Mayank Sharma, जनरली हेल्प करने पे लोग थैंक यू बोलते हैं, नहीं तो मुझे भी कोई शौक़ नहीं है लड़कियों से मेंस लू से बाहर निकलने का. शिखर के डायलॉग, एजे इज़ मूनलाइट में तुम बिल्कुल सनफ्लावर की तरह लग रही हो. तुम्हें कभी कोई एनजीओ में काम करने का मन नहीं करेगा ना तो तुम टीवी मूवीज़ में ट्राई करना. पिक्चर हॉल में पब्लिक बहुत रोएगी. हाँ, ये मैंने ईशानी को बोला है, वो बहुत रोती थी ना, हमें रोती है. These are all the best. I mean, so many dialogues of mine. And now picture time, fan creations, and here I think it's done. Wow. So this is, I think, like the 4th or 5th book that I have on me, and I don't think I need to write a book. Just need to publish these. Thanks a lot, guys. It's really nice, and all these things. When Ayan grows up, I'm going to show it to him. I'm going to see how much love your father received when he was working. I want to thank all the India Forum fans for always who've been there in this journey of my career, right from left, right, left to Nagin now. And thank you so much for giving so much love to Nagin. I think I've done shows which have done really well, but the kind of success Nagin has received, it's exceptionally it's like bigger than ever. And the only thing that I can think of when I think about the success of this show is thanking all my fans who watch me and who come to watch the show that I am in. So love you all. Keep liking me, keep voting for me whenever you can, and love you, India Forums.
Hope you guys have enjoyed the segment. We'll be back soon. Neha Sawant, cameraman Mangesh, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Ada Khan and you're watching me on India Forums. Please subscribe to Wassup TV.